everyone, I just wanted to do some jQuery setup things that help us websites go from this to this. So basically how I was even able to do all this is I used something called jQuery. jQuery helps me with my transitions and animations, and it's a library that you could put inside your website. So therefore you don't have to code all these different functions, and it makes everything so easy. So you can either go to download on the jQuery website, but my favorite way to go is really through Web3 Schools, which I'll show you in a second. And then as you can see, I like to use the Google CDN, where it basically just hosts the web jQuery for you. But you can also download it and link it to your HTML file if that's really what you want to do. But basically in my personal code, what I've done is I just take the link that they gave me that hosts the jQuery, and then I added that to my website, and that's easy. So basically you might be wondering, how do you get to the transitions that you were talking about before? So basically in jQuery you can use this $sign, and then there's so many different functions. But I decided to use the fade in, fade out function, and I also use the hide function. But there are so many different functions in jQuery. I'm going to show you this page on GitHub on really the most popular ones, but there are so many different functions that you can use. I'm using the fade in and fade out function in my website, but there's so many different things that you can use this for. Going back to my code, you can see I utilize the hide function, but also when I'm up here, I for the fade in and fade out, something important to note is that fades are that time is measured in milliseconds. So that's why it says 3,000 there, because it's 3,000 milliseconds, therefore 3 seconds. And you'll only really be able to use these functions, and your console will know what you're doing after you put this in the header, or if you link kind of what I have down here, or if you link it as a script. That was just a video on really how to start using jQuery. There's so many valuable resources online to go further. I just thought this would be a good start on how to really add it to your code. Okay, thank you. Bye.